Hello, everyone, and welcome back to BrainGab. Today we have a truly electrifying topic to dive into: electric vehicles or EVs. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of electric cars, from their history and environmental benefits to the latest advancements in EV technology. So, if you're ready to hit the road, let's charge up our knowledge about electric vehicles. Electric vehicles have come a long way since their inception. Let's start by taking a quick journey back in time to see how far they've come. In the late 19th century, electric cars were all the rage. They were quiet, clean, and easy to operate. But soon, gasoline-powered vehicles took the lead due to longer ranges and faster refueling. Fast forward to today, and electric vehicles are making a spectacular comeback. Why? Well, that leads us to our next segment. One of the most significant advantages of electric vehicles is their positive impact on the environment. Let's break it down. EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, which means cleaner air for all of us. They play a vital role in reducing air pollution and combating climate change. And when charged with renewable energy sources like solar or wind, electric vehicles can be virtually carbon neutral. Now, let's shift gears to talk about the mechanics of electric vehicles. Ever wondered what powers these vehicles? Let's uncover the magic under the hood. Electric vehicles are powered by lithium-ion batteries, similar to those in your smartphone. These batteries store electricity and send it to an electric motor to drive the wheels. Charging an EV is as easy as plugging it in. You can charge at home with a standard outlet, or use high-speed chargers at public stations for a quick top-up. With the basics covered, let's move on to some of the benefits of driving an electric vehicle. There are several compelling reasons to make the switch to an electric vehicle. EVs have lower operating costs due to cheaper electricity and fewer moving parts. You'll also save on maintenance and potential tax incentives. Electric motors provide instant torque, giving you impressive acceleration and a smooth, quiet ride. But what about range anxiety? That's a common concern, right? Range and charging have been major hurdles for EV adoption, but things are changing. Newer EV models are offering impressive ranges, often exceeding 300 miles on a single charge. This means fewer stops for charging during long trips. Fast charging networks are rapidly expanding, making it easier to find charging stations and significantly reducing charging times. Alright, so EVs are pretty amazing, but what about the future? What's next for electric vehicles? The future of electric vehicles is looking brighter than ever. We're on the brink of seeing autonomous electric vehicles revolutionize transportation, making our roads safer and more efficient. Solid-state batteries, which promise longer ranges and faster charging times, are in development and could reshape the EV landscape. Before you make the jump into the world of electric vehicles, it's important to consider both the advantages and disadvantages. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Advantages. 1. Environmental benefits. As we mentioned earlier, electric vehicles produce zero tailpipe emissions, reducing air pollution and helping combat climate change. 2. Lower operating costs. EVs generally have lower operating costs compared to gasoline cars. Electricity is cheaper than gasoline, and electric vehicles have fewer moving parts, meaning lower maintenance costs. 3. Quiet and smooth ride. Electric motors provide a quiet and smooth driving experience. The instant torque makes for impressive acceleration. 4. Tax incentives. Many governments offer tax incentives and rebates for purchasing electric vehicles, making them more affordable upfront. 5. Cutting-edge technology. Owning an EV often means being on the cutting edge of automotive technology, with features like regenerative braking and advanced infotainment systems. Disadvantages. 1. Limited range. While EV ranges are improving, some models still have limitations compared to gasoline cars, which can make long road trips more challenging. 2. Charging infrastructure. While it's growing rapidly, the charging infrastructure for EVs is not as widespread as gas stations. This can lead to occasional inconveniences when finding a charging station. 3. Longer refueling times. Charging an electric vehicle takes longer than filling up a gasoline tank. Even with fast chargers, it's not as quick as a traditional refuel. 4. Upfront cost. Electric vehicles tend to have a higher upfront purchase price compared to their gasoline counterparts. However, this cost difference is decreasing over time. 5. Battery degradation. Over time, the battery in an electric vehicle will degrade, leading to reduced range and performance. Battery replacement can be a significant expense. Considering these advantages and disadvantages is crucial when deciding whether an electric vehicle is the right choice for you. It's important to weigh your specific needs and priorities. And with that, we conclude our journey through the world of electric vehicles. They've certainly come a long way, and the road ahead looks electrifying. Thank you all for joining us on this exploration of electric vehicles. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. If you're already driving an EV, share your experiences in the comments below, and if you're considering making the switch, let us know what questions you have. Until next time, stay charged, stay green, and stay curious.